The head compared to the body is small. The whole body is much larger. Nevertheless, we see that the vitality of the person is in his brain, in his mind, while there's much less vitality in the rest of the body. The same thing when it comes to connecting ourselves to our higher level. If you connect your mind to Torah, to the divine knowledge, at that moment you have more vitality. If you connect yourself to the bodily pleasures, as much as you want to feed yourself and take pleasure, you will never be satisfied because you will never get the full vitality that you want. So if you really want to feel fulfillment, stop opening the fridge, stop opening the internet, look into your soul. Open your soul by studying a little more Torah. Go into your heritage and fill your mind with holiness, and suddenly you'll see your whole world transformed.